guys, and welcome to another episode. For this episode I have 3 lights. Dashboard light for my RAV4. This is for any 2019 to 2023 Toyota RAV4. One single plug that goes to the climate control. 3 lights. One goes on this part. The second one is gonna go under here, under the middle tray. And the third one is gonna go all the way to the little cubby that you have on this side. Right here you have your little cubby. That's where it goes. This is gonna be a really simple installation, but I'm gonna have to remove this. Hopefully we can still use it. If not, it's gonna be alright. But first thing, remove your climate control. Cartrimhome provides the tool as well. Just pull on it on both sides. Once you pull on it, unplug it, then grab your connection with the lights and put it on the stack connector. The other one is gonna go to the climate control. So you can rub these in here. You can put the other cable along this line. So we're gonna put that together in there, and it goes in here. You can hide it. The other one, which is the one for the middle, is gonna go right here. You can put it right there. And the third one, we're gonna put it behind and on the other side. So far so good. We're gonna put this one connector in place. Then I'm gonna try to hide this cable along the bottom of the dash. And the other 2 cables, hide it in this position so you won't see them. You're just gonna see lights. There you go. This one, we'll put it around here, hide it. This one will hide it around there, and the other one will hide it along this line right here, all the way to the other side. Grab some alcohol wipes to clean in here. It has 3M adhesive. Stick it on top. This one as well. Stick it on top, and the other one on the other side, same thing. Okay guys, for this one I push the cable inside this seam right here. Really easy to push. Some of the cable is down here, but you barely see it. The other part is right here, all the way around and in here. You can just push it with the tool to the inside. Same thing for this one. This one right here, I run it that way and I push it in right in there. First one in place, and you won't even see it. You're only gonna see the light right there. Okay guys, installation is in place. Let's turn on the RAV4. Everything is on. I don't have the lights on. If you turn on the lights, now you're gonna have illumination in all your storage places. Here, in the middle, and on that side. And sometimes you need it. There you go. Super easy to do the installation, and AC and everything works as normal. Everything works fine. AC, controls, sync, everything works because we just grabbing light from the connector for the AC unit. Turn it off and they're gonna stay on until you turn off the lights or the lights go off by themselves. So you have it guys, release installation, 5-minute installation, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description for those lights in case you need them. I hope you like this episode guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.